Today we're in the garden with Aid. Say hello, Aid. He's going to show you how to pot on cordon tomatoes. So let's get going. For this you're going to need a long cane, string, water, pot, your tomato plant, and of course Dalefoot peat-free wool compost for tomatoes. Taking your plant, pot and compost, half fill your pot, then place your tomato plant in the centre of the compost. Don't worry about taking it out of its container. Continue to fill the pot until it's about an inch from the top. Removing your tomato plant, you'll see you're left with a hole. Take out your tomato plant from its pot and plant it into the hole. Not only are you creating less mess, but you're putting less strain on the delicate plant roots. Take your cane and place it firmly into the compost next to your tomato plant. Ensure you tie in the plant so it has the support to grow up. Water in well and place somewhere warm, bright and with good ventilation. Get it right now and you could be eating fresh, juicy tomatoes all summer. Just make sure you've got the space for them.